Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 is a sales tax question. It says a box of a dozen specialty dog treats sells for $9.50 at the Doggy Bakery. There is a sales tax rate of 6.5%. What is the final cost for a box of a dozen treats after taxes? So I need to find out how much money will be added in taxes. So I need to find 6.5% of the original price, which is $9.50. So I'm going to write 6.5% as a decimal, which means I will move it back 2 places and get 0.065 of means multiply times the $9.50 that was the original price. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the tax will be 62 cents. And so now I'm going to add that to the original price. $9.50 was the original price, plus the 62 cents in sales tax. And if I punch those into a calculator, I find out that the price will be $10.12. Again, like we did with the discount, we can say we have 100% of the price at $9.50, plus the 6.5%, which is the sales tax, which will give me 106.5% of the price. So I could multiply 1.065 directly to the $9.50 that the dozen of treats cost, and I will find my answer $10.12 in one step.